Wultson. Advanced Surface Technologies.
Wultson Multi-Stage Spray Washing Machine, WSW MULTI-PRO-900. 3 stages: washing, rinsing, drying. User-friendly PLC control for managing programs. Motorized Rotating Basket. 4 directional spray nozzles ensure maximum cleaning efficiency. Belt oil skimmer continuously removes surface oil to maintain a clean process. Efficient fine particle filter for optimized solution life and cleaning performance. Rinsing and washing tanks equipped with separate pumps to prevent carryover between stages. Hot air circulation system ensures consistent drying performance. Extraction fan removes vapors and accelerates drying performance. Wultson Multi-Stage Spray Washing Machine, WSW MULTI-PRO-900.